Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your headphones JLAB GOWORK from your PC. You have to start by pressing time at the Windows button on your keyboard. Then write Bluetooth, and if you see Bluetooth and other devices, press this line or click enter. Now you need to find your headphones at the audio line, and right here I have them. You can also check at other devices if you don't see them at the audio line. Then press at the line with your headphones and click remove. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones but leave them at the device list to reconnect them in the future, you need to select disconnect. But let's remove them. So click remove, and if you have Windows 10, after remove you need to click remove device. Now we can turn off these headphones, and the power button located at the bottom of the right ear cup, near to the USB-C port and the LED light. Right here we have the power button. Press and hold it until you will see the red LED light. And we just turn off them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!